2, 1, time for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Let's make some number blocks. Oh, here comes Numberblocks 6 and Numberblock 1. Let's say hello.
Hello, Numberblock.
6 plus 1 equals 7.
Oh, it's lucky number 7. Hello, 7. Let's make Numberblock 7.
What do we need?
We need 7 rainbow-coloured cubes for his body, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, some colourful rainbow hair, 2 legs, 2 arms. And yes, you know what's missing. Numberling 7 to pop on top.
How do we make 7?
First, we make the body. Roll a large piece of red Play-Doh compound into a ball. Then, push the Play-Doh compound down onto the surface you're working on to make 4 flat sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flatten the top and the bottom to make a cube with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to make 6 small blocks for 7's body.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There we go. 7 blocks for Numberblocks 7. A red one, an orange one, a yellow one, a green one, a blue one, an indigo one, and a violet one. That's right. Next, we need 2 eyes. The eyes are made up of 2 different colours, white and black. Roll a small ball of white Play-Doh compound. Then flatten it with your thumb. Then squish the top and bottom to make an oval shape. Roll the smaller ball of black Play-Doh compound, flatten it, and press it onto the middle of the white Play-Doh ball. There we go! 7's eye. Now we need to do that all again to make the other eye. Next, we need 1 mouth. Make a long snake out of the yellow Play-Doh compound. Fold it in half and pinch at both ends. There we have it! 1 lucky mouth! Next, we need 2 running legs. Take a medium piece of purple Play-Doh compound and roll it into a slithery snake. Cut the snake in half to make 2 snakes. There! 2 legs. 1, 2. Now let's make the arms. To make the arms, just repeat what you did for the legs. Roll your purple Play-Doh compound into a snake and cut it in half. 2 arms. 1, 2. Now let's make Numberblock 7's colourful hair. Take 7 small balls of Play-Doh compound. You'll need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet Play-Doh to make 7 strands of hair. Roll them into 7 small little snakes. Then press them down to make them flat. Push them together and cut the tops with your plastic knife.
You're giving 7 a haircut.
That's right. Finally, we need the numberling. Roll a ball of black Play-Doh compound into a snake. Then make a line in the sky down to the ground. That's how lucky 7's found. Seven blocks, 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 arms, 7 pieces of hair, 1 mouth, and numberling 7. Hooray! things we need for lucky number block 7. Let's stack the blocks on top of each other. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and, that's right, violet. All the colours of the rainbow. We place the eyes onto the top block. We fix the arms onto both the sides, the left and now the right, and fix the legs underneath. And finally, we place the colourful hair on top.
We made for lucky number 7.
This is number 7, as lucky as can be. He has 7 colours, as you can clearly see. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. If you want a rainbow, he'll make one just for you.
No,